Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing what I've been doing to increase my views. But if this is your first time here, hi, good to have you here. I'm Faith Zohu, and in this channel, I document my digital entrepreneur journey. So a little bit of gist on how we got here. My channel was once monetized, but because of copyright strike, which I have made several videos about, maybe I'll link it in the description, and ever since I have been struggling with views and even the motivation to create content. My channel has been crawling. The views have not been so encouraging. Of recent, I think like 3 weeks ago, I got a notification that I had stopped getting. This notification was always coming, mostly I think it was even coming weekly back then, but this notification stopped for the longest time when I was demonetized, and only 3 weeks ago I started getting the notification. I'm going to leave a screenshot of the notification. I started getting this notification and I was very excited to see it. It was like an extract from my analytics, and it will give a little bit information about what I have been doing and how my views are going. So I stopped receiving this notification and I didn't even think it was something, but only for me to start receiving it again. And I felt, okay, I probably have started doing something right that got that notification to start coming again. And I remember somebody said in one of the groups I belong that this YouTube thing, that there is a certain kind of views you will get to, and then you unlock a particular privilege or feature. I don't know if that is true, but I guess that is the case, because it seemed like I got 250k views in the last, in the last 1 month, which is which is crazy. So what are these things I have been doing? First off is coming live. I have been live streaming. I tried live streaming some months ago, but it was not successful because of my location. Network was really disturbing back then, plus I wasn't doing it as I should. I was not staying longer hours, and I just kept talking and talking. I said that my views, so I did not say it. My views were, instead of increasing over the years that I got demonetized, it was reducing. I just told myself probably it's because I'm not making enough content, or because those my other videos were really part of my views back then. But ever since this last 3 weeks, my views has now started increasing. So even to the extent that when I come live, people join my live stream. My subscribers to see my live stream and join in once in a while. And I feel like it's because I probably have hit a particular view milestone, and that's why maybe that is enabled for me, or it is just God's grace working. But what I know is that I have been going live and it has been helping my views. I don't think I even have up to 1 hour views in a day, trying to grow my channel, but these days I have been getting more than an hour view based on my subscribers and the number of people that join my live session. So yeah, if you're a new and struggling YouTuber, I would encourage you to go on live streaming daily, if not multiple times a day. Make it longer hours. I feel the sweet spot would be 2 hours. If you can, it's not easy. It is not easy to just keep talking consistently for 2 hours, or even being just out there in the world on camera for 2 hours. It's not easy, but if you can do it, it's going to help you a lot. So another thing I have been doing is SEO practices. This thing, I don't even know why. Seriously, I feel like stroking myself on the butt, because I know these things. These are things that I do as a digital marketer, but I have not been applying it. It just go over my head, which is SEO. So SEO, the simple SEO I have been doing is renaming my video file before uploading, renaming my thumbnail file before uploading, making sure that my title is conversational or searchable. Okay, I'll still come around. I'll still explain what I mean by all these things. So I make sure that my titles is relatable and searchable. I make sure that my thumbnail is now very simple, not too much, simple and clean. Let me just put it that way, simple and clean. So when I mean renaming your video title, oftentimes when we record, like this video I'm recording now, when I'm done editing it and I post it on your YouTube back end, that is if you can check the properties, that is the name of the video, what you see is alphabet and figures and some kind of thing. And the same thing goes with image too. It will even show you img then numbers. That is not SEO friendly. You need to rename. So if you're using laptop, I think you right click on the video and go to properties. That would be it. If you're using your Android phone, what you can do is just look for where you can see the property of that video. If you're using iPhone, you cannot do it directly. You have to save the video to your file first. That is one thing. I think I did a tutorial on that. I would also have it as a card on this video. So if you're using iPhone, you have to rename your file first. When you rename your file, you give it the title or something close to an SEO title. By the way, whatever keyword you want to rank for in that video, you give it that title and then you save it, so that when you're uploading your video, that title is communicated directly to the algorithm, that this video, this is the title, this is what the video is about. Unlike you just posting the video and it's having random figures and numbers, it does not send any information to the algorithm. I know this. I work with this when I work with when I work with clients' websites back end. But hey, I have not been applying. So the same goes with the image, your thumbnail. Rename your thumbnail before uploading it to. It gives information. It is called meta tag. That is a meta tag of that picture or the video. So it helps with SEO. Then another thing that I started doing is making my title conversational. Like I said, instead of just conversational or searchable. Normally when we make a video, we kind of want to rank for a particular keyword. Now that keyword, you're going to talk like you're talking to your mom. Let's just put it that way. You're going to make your title sound like you're talking to your mom, and instead of putting so much technical words, or no, just make it very simple, like a chit chat kind of thing. If possible, you can even leave your title in lowercase. I see a lot of people do that, and those kind of videos get a lot of views. I've been making my titles conversational. Then my thumbnails, I have been leaving it very simple, like just simplicity, not too many words, just very simple and classy. Then the very last thing that I have been doing that I feel has increased my view count is posting daily. I'm not saying posting regularly, I'm posting daily. Now I know you will say, Faith, will not be seeing videos from you. I posted my last video a week ago or more. But yeah, what I mean posting daily is posting daily. And what has been covering up for me is my live stream. So I come live, I try to come live every single day. So these videos still remain on the channel, still get published on the channel as videos, and people can still watch it. And that is sending a kind of a consistency signal to algorithm to help push out my channel contents more. So if you're struggling content creator, consider doing live. If you cannot do multiple videos, if you cannot post multiple videos a week, you can use live to augment it, because that's my plan going forward. I don't know, it makes sense to me, and may God help me to keep consistent, because it's not easy, guys. It's not easy, but then it's my passion. It's something I have said I want to do. So one of my principles is whatever I find my hand, do it. I need to try my best to do it right. So yes, guys, these are the 3 things that I have been doing that have been increasing my view count, that I wanted to share with you all. I hope you found this very useful. If you do, leave me a like, comment in the comment section, and share the video with anybody that needs it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.